I think I should have trimmed the aircraft a little bit more as well. Speed brakes. Speed brakes are up. How's the cloud situation? Scattered at 1500. You're kidding me, dude. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know, I hate our nav approaches. Auto brakes set. We're gonna arm the speed brakes. There we go. Missed approach 3000. In Madeira traffic right near 2 Tango November is on final for runway 23. Let's go! Come on, guys! Frog is in the chat. Please and thank you. There is so much wind. Oh my god. Is there a car on the runway?
300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30.
What am I doing?